Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really exciting for you, our summer 2020 garden plant collection. Like, comment and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into it. This is the plant stand that I've purchased. It's from the pound shop. It's super cheap, super affordable, really basic, nothing fancy, just to store the plant pots on. And here we have my beloved Japanese cherry blossom, fairly new. I purchased this from Yew Garden online. And to the left I have planted some tomato seeds which are beginning to sprout, and in that tray is some coriander seeds. In this plant pot I have some chili seeds planted as well as 2 rose plants. So you can just about make out the mint at the bottom, but the real showstopper here is our jasmine plant. It's so beautiful and has taken about 8 years to establish itself. This is one variation, and in the large plant pot here we have the Jasminian sambac, an Indian jasmine, and I'm currently trying to revive it. It requires a different sort of compost. The stems are beginning to green and I can see these lovely little shoots coming through, so I am quite hopeful that it will begin to grow again. The type of soil I used is cocoa soil, which is actually quite different, again sourced from the pound shop. And over here you can see my beautiful roses. That's a lilac colour rose. And here you can see the fruit of our lovely little apple tree. This tree is around 3 years old. We were quite hesitant to buy this tree at first, but then we just decided to get it. And another variation of rose. Again, each tree requires a different type of soil. And here we have the same jasmine as before. That's growing quite well over here too. And on the right side of our garden, again we have more beautiful roses. Actually on the right of this rose is a grapevine which isn't visible, but it hasn't been fruitful as yet. And over here we have quite a widespread horizontal yellow rose, and this blooms so lovely every year. And next we have some citrus tree plants that I've recently purchased. So here we have a orange tree, a lemon tree here, and as you can see the plant pots are fairly wide and deep, just to allow enough room for the roots to establish themselves and the trees to grow before planting. And here we have a lime tree. And here's another variation of a jasmine. This was kindly gifted to us by my mother's friend, and it's yet to bloom, so I'm hoping to see some lovely flowers this year, if not next, but it's grown quite well. And here we have 2 maple bushes, Japanese maple bushes, and these are so beautiful. The stems are just gorgeous. Apparently in autumn they turn a lovely fiery red, and as you can see I'm showing you the stems. They're so beautiful and pretty. They quite enjoy moist soil, and they're quite rugged, so they do manage well in cold temperatures. And so here my mum is just planting some seeds that were gifted to us. So all of this is really inexpensive. You can find a lot of these either seeds or flowers available online for cheap. A lot of them for us we've sourced online through the pound shop. Really affordable, easily accessible here in the UK. My mum's just watering this, and this is all for the backdoor garden. This is our front garden, so we have a few of the plants pretty much towards the left, and they're seasonal I believe. And the main showstopper here is this rose plant, which I actually purchased from Sainsbury's, really affordable a few years ago. And so the benefit of having such beautiful plants is beautiful flowers. And here's a DIY bouquet idea or flower decoration idea. Here we've used our beautiful roses and plants and flowers to decorate our dining table. So we've sourced yellow roses, purple, fuchsia, so you can see that's a pretty big purple rose, fuchsia there, some cascading jasmine, as well as some fern, just to decorate our dining table space area. And yeah, it's a really great idea. You can place the flowers in a lovely vase on a placing mat, and it's beautiful to light up any room. hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment and give us a thumbs up. Let us know any ideas or comments, what your favourite flowers and plants are. Until next time, see you then.